Theta value equivalent to $1.0191 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $1.0091, $1.0319. The earlier day close: $1.0218. The change was 0.0027, 0.26%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to Theta. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 93 cents, change for December 7.9%. Theta conjecture for January 2024. Before all else cost at $0.93. Excessive cost 1.17, while low cost 0.79. The normal for the month 94 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 85 cents, change for January 8.6%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at $0.85. Exorbitant cost 1.06, while low cost 0.85. The normal for the month 94 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 99 cents, change for February 16.5%. Theta estimate for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.99. Exorbitant cost 1.18, while low cost 0.99. The normal for the month $1.07. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.10, change for spring 11.1%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at $1.10. Excessive cost 1.23, while low cost 1.07. The normal for the month $1.14. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $1.15, change for April 4.5%. Theta figure for May 2024. Before all else cost at $1.15. Excessive cost 1.28, while low cost 1.12. The normal for the month $1.19. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.20, change for May 4.3%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $1.20. Excessive cost 1.38, while low cost 1.20. The normal for the month $1.27. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.29, change for June 7.5%. Theta estimate for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $1.29. Excessive cost 1.42, while low cost 1.24. The normal for the month $1.32. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.33, change for July 3.1%. Theta cost expectation. Excessive cost 1.50, while low cost 1.30. The normal for the month $1.40. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.40, change for September 1.4%. Theta cost expectation for October 2024. To start with cost at $1.40. Exorbitant cost 1.53, while low cost 1.33. The normal for the month $1.42. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.43, change for October 2.1%. Theta estimate for November 2024. First and foremost cost at $1.43. Exorbitant cost 1.67, while low cost 1.43. The normal for the month $1.52. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.56, change for November 9.1%. Theta cost expectation for December 2024. To start with cost at $1.56. Exorbitant cost 1.94, while low cost 1.56. The normal for the month $1.72. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.81, change for December 16.0%. Theta conjecture for January 2025. At the outset cost at $1.81. Excessive cost 2.01, while low cost 1.75. The normal for the month $1.86. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.88, change for January 3.9%. Theta cost expectation for February 2025. Initially cost at $1.88. Excessive cost 2.10, while low cost 1.82. The normal for the month $1.94. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.96, change for February 4.3%. Theta gauge for WAC 2025. To start with cost at $1.96. Exorbitant cost 2.28, while low cost 1.96. The normal for the month $2.08. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $2.13, change for spring 8.7%. Theta cost expectation for April 2025. At the outset cost at $2.13. Excessive cost 2.32, while low cost 2.02. Theta cost expectation for June 2025. Initially cost at $1.88. Excessive cost 2.25, while low cost 1.88. The normal for the month $2.03. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $2.10, change for June 11.7%. Theta estimate for July 2025. To start with cost at $2.10. Exorbitant cost 2.10, while low cost 1.74. The normal for the month $1.95. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.87, change for July 11.0%. Theta cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place cost at $1.87. Excessive cost 1.87, while low cost 1.46. The normal for the month $1.69. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $1.57, change for August 16.0%. Theta figure for September 2025. Initially cost at $1.57. Excessive cost 1.57, while low cost 1.23. The normal for the month $1.42. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.32, change for September 15.9%. Theta cost expectation for October 2025. Before all else cost at $1.32. Excessive cost 1.64, while low cost 1.32. The normal for the month $1.45. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end $1.53, change for October 15.9%. Theta gauge for November 2025. In the first place cost at $1.53. Exorbitant cost 1.89, while low cost 1.53. The normal for the month $1.68. Theta cost figure toward the month's end $1.77, change for November 15.7%. Theta cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at $1.77. Exorbitant cost 1.77, while low cost 1.39. The normal for the month $1.61. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.49, change for December 15.8%. Theta conjecture for January 2026. At the outset cost at $1.49. Excessive cost 1.49, while low cost 1.16. The normal for the month $1.35. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end $1.25, change for January 6.